Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, many of us getting a little break in the action here for the end of the morning and early this afternoon, but I am tracking more precipitation that's going to be filling in over the course of the day today. In fact, here's our city cam in Providence right now, still gray and just unseasonably chilly for an April morning. 27 degrees, feels though like 17, adding in that east northeasterly wind at 10 miles an hour. Here's a look at the radar right now, and what I'm tracking moving in is some of this precipitation that's off to our west right now. It's already starting to fill in between Springfield, Hartford, Long Island, and this is going to continue to work its way eastward. So the break that we're getting right now, unfortunately, won't be with us through the evening commute, where I do expect another round of snow. Our area of low pressure moving across Pennsylvania right now. You know, the cold air has been stubborn, and that can happen, and that's why we are expecting to see some additional snowfall accumulations this afternoon and this evening. I've got our threat tracker up into the medium threat level because of that tonight. We have the snow ending, but we'll have to watch for icy spots as temperatures fall into the 20s. The winter weather advisory continues for inland areas until 8 o'clock this evening. At the coast, we are expecting that rain and snow mixture. Where that rain-snow line eventually sets up is going to be key to determining how much additional snowfall we get in places like Providence, Warwick, West Warwick, the East Bay even of Rhode Island. But I'm looking at, already 1 to 2 inches of snow falling this morning and another couple of inches on top of that, with the highest amounts where we stay all snow. So one of the changes that I made today was to bring those higher amounts further south and probably into or very close to the Providence area. So you may end up with 3, 4, 5 inches in and around Providence total from the second batch that'll be added on to what fell this morning. We're already in the 20s, only probably going to make it close to the freezing mark this afternoon. Hurricane barrier camera, nice little lull in the activity. Winds not a big factor with this storm. We do see the wet conditions, a little slushy coating on the grassy surfaces in Narragansett. Here's a look at those temperatures. A lot of cold air to New England right now, with the warmer air to our south. It never makes it into our area. Here's the satellite and radar, and let's take it through the Futurecast as that precipitation fills back in. So this is 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we do expect to see steadier precipitation returning and continuing through at least the evening commute. Now notice where that rain snow line is, pretty far to the south, so you may stay all snow in Providence. It does wind down through the evening and night, and we're back to drier weather tomorrow with the sunshine returning. So this afternoon, cold and wintry. We'll have snow inland, coastal rain and mixture, temperatures in the lower 30s. Commute Futurecast for this evening. You may have another tough commute ahead of you. I'd plan on some slower travel, reduced visibility, the potential for slick roads as those temperatures hover around the freezing mark. Then tonight, falling down into the 20s, clearing and cold. Maybe a chilly start tomorrow morning, dry and feeling still very much like winter, highs in the 30s, but wind gusts will be at around 25, 30 miles per hour, and that'll make it feel like the 20s outside. 41 for your high on Wednesday. When do we get a bit of a warm up? Well, Thursday, Friday, but it comes with some wet weather and then another blast of chilly air for the upcoming weekend.